Number 11. The Speeder. One of the smallest jet aircraft ever developed, could be a few years away from becoming the world's first sky-legal motorcycle. The Jetpack Aviation Speeder, once FAA certified, will be a flying street bike that employs 8 tiny but powerful jet engines to cruise at 96 km/h for around 30 minutes. While the original concept had 4 turbines, as shown in the illustrations, the final product will have 8, as shown in the photographs, 2 at each corner of the bike to offer redundancy and safety. They will also enable the approximately 135 kg Speeder to transport 270 kg, a size-to-payload ratio that distinguishes the Speeder from other VTOL craft. The Speeder might conceivably exceed 400 km/h in piloted motorbike form, though even the finest riders would struggle to maintain that speed. As a result, the corporation has a governor for the engines as well as an altitude limiter. Theoretically, you could keep going up to 4,870 meters before it ran out of fuel, he explains. Number 10. Sierra Space Life Habitat. Sierra Space has some interesting developments to mention. They specialize in producing inflatable modules for space stations. You may be wondering if this is some type of trick for investors, but this is not the case. These modules will be part of the Orbiting Reef Commercial Station, which has been approved by NASA. The building of this station is set to begin in 2026. As a result, demand for these modules is on the rise. Sierra Space has a lot to offer their clients. These modules may inflate to the size of a 3-story skyscraper with an 8-meter circumference, giving space for 12 people. What's fascinating is that these modules are made of Vectran fabric, which is said to be stronger than steel. Number 9. ARC Aerosystems ARC C600. The C600 is a VTOL heavy-lift cargo aircraft with the option of an all-electric or hybrid electric power source. The aircraft is remotely commanded utilizing beyond visual line of sight technology, and it will eventually fly independently. The sole distinction between the all-electric and hybrid electric aircraft is their range and flight time. The all-electric aircraft has a range of 217 kilometers and a flight time of 1 hour and 40 minutes. The hybrid electric aircraft has a range of 644 kilometers and a flight time of 6 hours and 40 minutes. For propulsion, each model features 9 propellers and 9 electric motors. For VTOL flight, there are 8 specialized propellers and 1 pusher propeller. The plane has a single main wing, AT tail, and fixed skid landing gear. Both variants have the same cruise speed of 120 km/h, maximum speed of 150 km/h, and service ceiling of 3,048 meters. The empty weight of both variants is 340 kilograms, with a maximum payload of 150 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kilograms. Both aircraft have a length of 6.7 meters, a wingspan of 8.16 meters, and a height of 2.7 meters. Number 8. PowerNEST. Which is better, solar panels or wind turbines? Each solution has merits and disadvantages, and the debate can continue. But why argue when you have PowerNEST? It's a hybrid of a wind turbine and solar panels. This hybrid system is 10 times more efficient than standalone solar panels and can power a 15-story apartment complex. However, there are a few factors to keep in mind. The system works best in buildings with at least 5 floors, and an installation area of 50 square meters is recommended. Nonetheless, investing in PowerNEST is a wise decision. Its components have a lifespan of 20 to 25 years, during which time electricity prices are anticipated to climb considerably more than once or twice, resulting in significant savings. Number 7. VoiceAtch. Here's another entry into the smartwatch market. VoiceAtch distinguishes itself by cleverly incorporating a Bluetooth headset into the revolving dial. In addition, instead of a standard glass cover, it has a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, making it a cross between a watch and a smartphone. Fitness tracking features are included. VoiceAtch, for example, incorporates a heart rate monitor, a pedometer, and a calorie counter. The watch has a 580 mAh battery that lasts for 2 days. The Bluetooth headset, on the other hand, has a smaller battery that only provides 3 hours of call time. However, it has a reasonable 10 meters range when you don't have to click any buttons to accept calls. Simply separate the headset from the watch. Number 6. Folding Trimaran. A foldable design can also be useful for trimarans, and numerous firms are exploring in this area. However, the essential concept remains the same. Customers get all of the benefits of a trimaran plus the added benefit of compactness, facilitating transit and docking. Some Corsair Trimarans, for example, can move from trailer to water in under 25 minutes. Rapido provides a Trimaran that reduces its width from 10 to 6 meters. Both firms offer family-friendly vehicles that combine fast speeds of around 40 km/h with excellent comfort. Number 5. Milwaukee PACKOUT Wheel Cart. According to Mill, the Milwaukee PACKOUT modular storage system is the most adaptable and robust storage system in the business. The corporation has simply assembled a building set. So let's get into the details. PACKOUT is built on 2 wheel carts that can manage loads of up to 80 kg. It includes attachments for lengthy tools such as levels, as well as possibilities for other modules such as drawers, platforms, cases, organizers, tray racks, and more. The true power of PACKOUT is in the ability to mix and match various modules. What's more, you can utilize both the modules and the cart individually if necessary. The cart itself costs $454. Number 4. Pitch Hopper. Surprisingly, an apparently basic move like this is not only innovative but also talented. It is known as the pitch hopper design and is intended for workers who routinely operate on pitched roofs. Each step can support a weight of up to 130 kilograms without the use of any fasteners, relying solely on friction. You have a choice of 2 widths, 61 centimeters or 81 centimeters. It is suitable for both standing and serving as a makeshift tray for tools and materials. The pitch hopper step is $100. Number 3. ZIMMO Foot discomfort is a prevalent problem in the United States. 87% of people will be affected at some point in their lives. This massage system's designers provide a solution for foot relaxation in the form of normal shoes that are both compact and effective. The system uses air cushions to massage the foot and has 4 settings and 43 massage balls. A single session takes only 15 minutes and is completely silent thanks to the 2 brushless motors in each massager. You can enjoy up to 16 sessions with a single full charge. These sneakers are available in a universal sizing that fits shoe sizes up to 11.5 US. The makers are betting big on the health of your feet. Number 2. iClass. It's odd that the iClass marketers don't use their creation's name more often. They could easily advertise a massage chair for the price of 2 iPhones. The cost of this chair is $2,400. It provides a variety of massage people and tailors to the user's physique through precise scanning. The chair includes 16 air cushions, heating shoulder massages with 6 intensity levels, and promotes Japanese shiatsu massage. Right, you have all the components for a peaceful end to a long day. You can even listen to music through the built-in speakers while controlling everything from your smartphone for optimal convenience. Number 1. CalmiGo. According to WHO figures from 2017, before to the pandemic, around 264 million persons globally suffered anxiety. In Israel, there is a $180 treatment that may relieve anxiety episodes in 3 minutes with no drugs or adverse effects. This passenger technology analyzes breathing patterns and modifies them to assist the client relax. Aromatherapy is used concurrently, using lavender essential oil as the predominant component. Lyses and vibration indicators aid in synchronization with the relaxing rhythm, and the consequences are so effective that panic attacks may become less common and less intense over time.